I am about to climb a tree. Remember how I said I would do dares? No, my dare is to climb a tree. I'm going to do 2 dares in this one video. Okay? Let's climb the tree while it's raining.
This guy's good. Don't know how he does it.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is fat.
I was talking to the YouTuber.
Sorry.
Yeah, can't get any higher. Raindrops are gonna get on, so
Oh, gosh, it's so much raining.
he just was coming
Oh,
in.
gosh, a spider web. Another spider web.
Come back down. You got up the tree already.
Not high enough.
Oh god, this person's good.
I don't want to touch this stuff. Okay, I'm done. I'm going down. Is this high enough?
Yeah, that's good.
If you don't know, you're probably watching this video, and it probably looks like I'm not high. I'm actually really high.
Yeah, from my point of view, it is so hot.
Hold on.
Okay, goodbye,
No,
and subscribe to
turn
this
it off.
video.
Wow.
Bye.
No, I'm not ready.
Oh, still recording.
You're good. You better be. Don't ever scare me like that again. I said I would do dares in one video. I'm going to do 2.
Oh, I thought the one dare was to do it in the rain.
Ugh.
The second dare was to dive in the Oh god, are you okay?
The second dare is to run in the rain.
That's too easy.
Come here. No, but it's going to lighten. I want to see how wet I can get. It's not even there. Okay. I'm running in the rain.
Yeah!
I'm still running.
What?
I love getting wet. Okay. That was my dare, everyone. Ow. Goodbye. I will see you in the next video. I didn't try to copy Markiplier, sorry. Bye.